Hello everyone, Andy here. So now finally I've arrived here at Parmischinas. Back you see the cabin here. Hopefully you can see that. And on the other side you see the view we have from up here. It's quite beautiful. And as it looks, today is the first day of summer, which gets really warm. So let's take a look inside. So probably now we have a problem with the... No, it works well. So that's inside. Actually here we have a eating area. Then there on the back is cooking area, and here was the light up here. There was the light which broke, so we put a new one. Not sure if we put it here or there. Then I thought to put one here by the stairs because it's quite dark there all the time. And then there is the upstairs, but there is no light at the moment. It's actually off. Now it's on. Here we have the cabinet for the electricity. You see here the charging power. Just drop down. Then we have the tension of the batteries. Then how much is this running. Switch for turning on and off, and 2 fuses. And here we have a little toilet. It's not so dark now. There is actually already a light up here. Maybe we leave that. This toilet. This is the only place we have running water in this cabin. Okay. So now it's up to me to do the work, and yeah, I try to film something between, and I have to cut it then. Unfortunately, it's a lot of work all the time. So before I start, I just want to show you real quick. Here we have a radio. It's a normal 230 device, but fortunately it runs on batteries 12 volt. So I actually did this a while ago. I removed the AC power and put in a cable here for 12 volt, so we can plug it here. So, but then the polarity is an issue, and last time I did this, I didn't make a protection for that, and they toasted it after a short time. It would be possible to put here a different plug. In Switzerland we have these three plugs here. Actually it's a sticker over here, so if you put one like this you cannot put it in wrong. But now it's I made in a bridge rectifier, so it cannot run if it's plugged the wrong way around. And then another device I made actually here for the cabin. Put it here to the light. That's not a good idea with the light, so it's better here. So that's for charging your iPhone and stuff. Just it's for a car actually. There is one socket with USB. It's I think it's only 1 amp, but it doesn't matter because you have the whole night time. And then there are 2 plugs for 12 volt. You could put in another one of these or whatever. I just thought it's easier if we have some spares. And this one I actually have a plug with three poles, so it's phase neutral and ground, so you cannot put it in the wrong way around. Just wanted to tell you this, and yeah, now I get to work. So this light here in the sleeping area I have already installed, more or less. I have this bracket here put on the wall, and then the step up converter here, and now I have to check the polarity of the wire from the cabin here, and that's it. So that's one light up. This is for the sleeping area here. As you can see, I have put the dimmer on top, so we can actually dim it quite well. Actually, it makes some sound here. That's from the converter, I think. But now I have seen that it's, if I turn it all down, it actually stops. So you can still use it as a night light, like this. Maybe this is handy for some of the siblings of my wife. Let's turn it up again. Hopefully this goes away, this sound, maybe not, I don't know. On the branch it didn't do that most of the time. Don't know what's the deal here. But now we have a bit of better lighting, much better than before. So I think next one is going to be the toilet or the downstairs. I'm not sure what to do. Can you see that? No, it's not. It's off here. This one, maybe I leave it, maybe I change it, I don't know yet. Should maybe do first the downstairs stuff because it's more important. So now I've started here on the downstairs. Here is a junction box I put in, shortened here the conduit, put another junction box here, the dimmer. I have now to solder in the resistor here, and that's the light here. Also I have prepared here a cable for, I've made a hole here for the cable, runs through to the back for this strip over there. There will be dimmer up there as well. So it's yeah, like always, takes more time than expected, so I'm a bit in a hurry now, but I think it will be good. Okay. I'm now finished with putting on the lights. I changed everything from the light bulb down in the eating area to the kitchen, which was actually broken. The other ones were not broken, but how it works. You start up with one broken lamp, and at the end you have changed all the lights in the whole cabin. Yeah, but it's a good thing we have now more light. It's using more power than before. I think there was about 3 light bulbs with 15 watts, and the compact fluorescent was about 11, and now it's running with 7 amps, all lights turned on, without the radio and without charging the iPhone or something. So that's about 80 something watts. That's okay for the cabin, and it looks good. I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as always, and see you soon. I'm probably gonna film now the write down and then maybe put it in the end or something. We will see. Thank you very much, and bye bye.